participants have already been vaccinated safely.
Please up for some fun with the family.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you saw on the video, that's the problem we're having with the screen switching from whenever you're on a call or here on the radio, it will automatically just switch the screen. And well, that's the problem we're having. And how we can resolve that? Well, we have to replace the digitalizer of the screen. Okay, so the other thing is it would not let me touch or switch anything. As you can see, I'm switching the stations, nothing's happening. In the menu, nothing. If I turn up the music, so I guess that's the glitch right there. Let's turn it on. Nothing. So we still have that thing. Okay, that's usually the main problem with this screen. The other thing is also to update the radio using the original software from the dealer, but you can try this first at your house, and it's not hard to do. Just gotta remove the trim, get some double-sided tape to secure the screen, and well, let's get started with this video. All right, guys, so we're gonna replace the screen in a moment, and this is the screen that I got. This is the part number right there, fit GM 8-inch. And how you measure your screen, well, you have to put a tape measure across right here, and if it's 8 inches, then this is the screen for you. If it's 10, then you're gonna need a different one, but this is the screen that I got. So when I open it, I'm gonna also put the link in the description. And well, by the way, I'm not sponsored by these people, but anyways, I'm just gonna help you out, guys. So this screen was about $35, I believe, like $40 with taxes and everything. And well, we're gonna change the screen, so we gotta take the bezel off. And once we take the bezel off, we're gonna disconnect the screen from everything. And it has Torx behind, so we need a Torx set. We need these plastic trims removers. And well, let's get to work. You're gonna pry around this all around until you get the bezel loose. So once we have the bezel off, as you can see, it has push clips only. We're gonna take those bolts out. These are gonna be, I believe, 7mm, and we're gonna take this whole piece out and then take the screen off. So we got already the whole thing off, and this is gonna be a Torx 15. This is the one we're gonna need to get all the screws out on the side. So as you can see, we have screws all around. We're gonna take those screws off and discover the whole thing. Once you take the cover off, this is how we are gonna see. So the way you take this off, so what we want is this right here. So when you take this off, all the clips off like this, and when you take this one off as well, so that one off, and the front one too. Or you can just leave it, but I'll just take it off because I don't want to break it. So once you take that off, this is what it's gonna come off. So you can put that aside and come back later. But the one that we want is this piece right here. So that's the digitalizer right there, all around. So the way we're gonna remove all this, it's using a heat gun because it has glue all around, and we're gonna use special glue to glue it back in its place. All right, so let's go to the I'm gonna go to my counter where I'm gonna work a little bit better. So yep, let's go change it. Okay, so what I use is I use the heat gun just to heat it up on the side a little bit, and this is the easiest ways to do it. Otherwise, you're gonna end up shattering everything. So what you gotta do is get a razor blade like this. So you heat it up on the sides, and then just pry it like a one edge like this, and it will come out in one piece instead of shattering everything in pieces and leaving a mess. So once you heat it up, just go through all the side like this, and you will have a nice clean removal like this, a complete screen. So now we are ready to install that other screen. And by the way, I almost forgot, so we need to put glue back together, and the way you do it is well, we gotta get this out, and then we're gonna pass it through here because it already has glue right here, but I'm just gonna put a double double glue there. Make sure everything's good. All right. Also, make sure you don't have it backwards, because the thickest piece on this side is gonna be for this right here. So this one goes like this and not like that. Otherwise, you're gonna mess it up. All right. So good luck. Okay. So as you can see, I already put the screen on and it has glue on the side, but I put more glue because you never know if it's gonna hold on or not. So you gotta make sure right here you line up this tab right here perfectly, as you can see, because this one has like a little line right here. So once you line that, it will automatically align everything, and well, it will come up perfect like that. So I think we're ready. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna heat it up a little bit on the side just to make sure the glue is gonna stick well and not fall off. All right, so let's install this back and peel off the screen protector, and we'll see if it works. So now let's put everything together, and well, let's put the piece back in its place, and we're gonna test this new touch screen. Hopefully we get this problem fixed, because they are the hell annoyed with this problem. And well, I've never seen this issue, but there's always a first time. All right guys, so the screen is already installed, and well, I gotta say it's really nice. It doesn't have any glitch on the side or anything. It's very responsive now, and I've kept the ignition switch off for a while. So I was doing the other test, and when the ignition switch was off, it was just cutting, and well, as you can see, very responsive. So it looks good, responding good, and well, I'm gonna take this for a drive and see what happens. All right guys, so I've been driving the truck for about 5 hours, I would say, and well, he hasn't done anything yet. So I would say this will be a problem solved, and I'm pretty sure this radio it's installed in many other vehicles like Chevrolet and Cadillacs. Probably not Cadillacs, they use different radio systems, but Chevrolet and GMCs, Colorado Silverados, Trailblazers, pretty much all those that have the touch screen. Well, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the fix for you. Alright guys, so this will be pretty much the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the information, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Leave a comment if you need any help, and well, I'll see you on the next episode. You fix up.